How to hide chats in Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. Here, you can view your chat list with friends on Snapchat. Go to any chat from the list. Then tap on the Bitmoji icon to open the menu bar. Now click on Chat and Notification Settings. Here, you need to select the option Delete Chats. After that, you will see three options here. You need to select the option 7 days after viewing. Then, you need to tap on this option Clear from Chat Feed. Confirm by tapping on Clear. Then, you need to tap on this search icon. You will find the chat in your recents. Open the chat and you will see all the notification here. There you go. The chat is now removed from the chat feed. So this is how you can easily hide chats on Snapchat.